Hey guys, Tinsley Mitchell with Living in Central Mississippi, and today we're going to take a peek at Waterpointe in Flowood, Mississippi. Waterpointe is a brand new neighborhood development located adjacent to Dogwood Festival Market and will cover approximately 230 acres. Once completed, Waterpointe will house 184 single-family homes and townhomes, luxury lofts, and Mississippi's first P. Allen Smith-inspired assisted living community. Future amenities will include 2 wharf-style restaurants, resort pool, walking and biking path, parks, a town square, and a waterfront event area overlooking the 34-acre lake. Retail and office space will also have some space carved out, so Waterpointe will be a one-stop shop, all with walking or biking distance. If you're looking for a resort-style living, Waterpointe may be for you. There are currently 14 active new construction homes in Waterpointe. They range in price from $465,000 to $724,900, and square feet falls between 1,927 and 3,046. Most of the homes are 3 to 4 bedrooms and all have at least 2.5 baths. All homes are brick and LP siding. Some features in these new homes include top-of-the-line appliances that include GE Cafe Series and Wolf, spacious walk-in pantries, custom designer lighting and mirrors throughout, and toe kick lighting, and each home has the capability to transform into a Google Smart Home. Attention to detail and quality is shown throughout each home. These homes are the epitome of Southern charm and luxury. For a limited time, the builder is offering incentives that include $7,500 to be used as the buyer wishes, or a free Icon I-40 golf cart valued at $10,625. I will link all active listings in the comments below for you to check out. Stay tuned as we take a walk through one of the completed homes.
Hey guys, welcome to 320 Concert Street in Waterpointe subdivision.
As you see when you walk up, you are welcomed by a brick front porch.
Walk-in open concept.
Real hardwood flooring throughout. Dining to your right. Again, open concept. Granite countertops, top-of-the-line appliances, Wolf. We do have a walk-in pantry, an extra little office or eating space over here. We do have a fun little colorful powder bath. And laundry is downstairs with custom tile and granite, and you do even have the backsplash with the sink. The primary bath is downstairs. As you can see, it's very spacious. You can have a little bit of storage under the stairs. Continuing into the primary bath. Again, toe kick lighting under, separate vanities, soaker tub, separate shower with tile to the ceiling. Walk-in closet complete with hanging racks and drawers, shelving.
This home does feature 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and it is 2,873 square feet.
Continuing upstairs, you do have the hardwood stairs, hardwood flooring throughout. You do have a large landing space. And at the end of the hall, you do have 2 separate bedrooms. So this is the second and third bedroom. Each have their own ensuite baths. And walk-in closets. Continuing with the third. This one has its own ensuite too, so there's 2 full bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. Again, another walk-in closet, a lot of space, top deck, and there's entrances from the hallway and both bedrooms. And wrapping up the tour of 320 Concert Street, we will take a peek outside of the patio area. We do have brick step downs. So this is home 320. So you do have your own little patio and porch.
Here's a sneak peek of one of the townhomes in Waterpointe that is currently under construction. These will be priced in the $400 to low $500 price range, and all of the homes in Waterpointe are made to be low maintenance, and they all have small yards, just for something new to keep in mind.
And don't forget to sign up for daily market updates on our website, www.taylorgroupms.com, which include new listings, price changes, and all things Central Mississippi real estate. And if there is a certain area in Rankin County you would like to see, just comment below. Thank you, and see you next video.